In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your cart in Romwe. If you've added a few items while browsing and want a quick, reliable way to see everything in one place, this walkthrough will make it simple. We'll use the Romwe website, so open your favorite browser and head to www.romwe.com. Take a moment to make sure you're on the official site by checking the address bar, and let the page fully load so all icons and menus appear correctly. Next, log into your account. Look for the Sign In or Account option near the top of the page. Logging in is important because it ensures your cart is tied to your account and stays consistent across devices. If you're already signed in, you'll typically see an account or profile icon instead of a sign in button. Either way, once you're logged in, you're set for the next part. Now focus on the top right corner of the Romwe website. This is where the key shortcuts live. You'll usually see icons for your account, favorites or wish list, and the shopping cart. The cart icon looks like a shopping bag or cart. If you've added items, you may notice a small number on or near the icon. That number shows how many products are currently in your cart. Click the cart icon. Depending on your device and Romwe's current layout, you'll either see a quick mini cart slide out or be taken to a dedicated cart page. Both views show the same essential information. If you get a mini cart, look for a link that opens the full cart page if you want a larger view with more details. Here, you can view all items in your cart. Take a moment to scan each product's name, size, color, and price. Confirm the quantity for each item, and check the subtotal at the bottom so you know you're running total before any taxes or shipping. If images are still loading, give them a second. If something looks off, a quick page refresh can help. If you expected to see items but your cart looks empty, double check that you're logged into the right account and that the site hasn't timed out. Occasionally, unavailable or out of stock items may be removed automatically, so reviewing the list now helps you avoid surprises later. That's it. To recap, go to the Romwe website, log into your account, look to the top right corner, click the cart icon, and review everything in your cart. Pause the video if you want to follow along in real time, and take your time verifying the details so you're confident about what's inside before you continue shopping or make any changes.